In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI to generate images in Affinity. This is super easy to do. Once you're inside your design, just go ahead and look towards the top and you will find Canva AI. Click on that. And on the right hand side, you will see that you have a box where you can go ahead and type whatever you want. It's going to be autofill, but you can always change this and write whatever you want. So I'm going to delete this and type a prompt. So let's say I want to say create I'm gonna just say create an image of Earth from space. Then go ahead and click generate, and you will see that the AI is going to generate the image of Earth from space. And this is just a typical example of how you can use the Canva AI right into Affinity. Just give it a moment. You're gonna see how quickly that is going to generate the image. And it doesn't matter whatever you want to generate, you can generate this by using Canva AI. And have a look at that, guys. It generates the picture of Earth from space, and you can always reshape, you can always resize it to do whatever you want, and so forth.